How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. Today I'll be taking a look at installing and providing sound clips of the Ford Performance Touring Catback designed for the 2018 Mustang GT. Alright guys, this is the Ford Performance Touring Catback designed for the 2018 Mustang GTs without the active exhaust feature. The Touring Catback is uniquely designed and tuned to provide optimum performance, aggressive sound, durability, and of course a great driving experience. Out of the box, this thing screams quality. It's manufactured for Ford Performance by Borla right here in the USA. The piping is high quality 304 stainless steel. It's 2.5 inches in diameter and mandrel-bent for a precise fit. This allows the piping to have ultra smooth bends and warp-free flanges. Ford Performance engineered this Catback to be a direct fit upgrade for the 2018 coupe and convertible Mustangs. It utilizes the stock hangers and mounts and meets the 95 decibel drive-by noise standard for aftermarket exhaust systems when installed in stock applications. Ford does utilize a high-flow dual-path muffler in place of a traditional X-pipe to keep cabin noise to a minimum. The muffler itself does not degrade the performance benefits of the Touring Catback. Now, Ford even took the styling for this Catback to the next level, and they offer it with 3 different tip options. It's going to be a quad tip design, and each tip measures 4 inches in diameter. The 3 choices you're going to be able to choose from are a standard chrome, a black chrome, and a dang good looking carbon fiber. To install this Catback into your 2018, you'll need a few tools, and a helping hand wouldn't hurt either. Of course, some jack and jack stands and a simple socket set is all you'll need. All needed hardware for installation will be in the box. You'll first support the car via a lift or jack stands. Remove the 2 13mm bolts securing the intermediate piping hangers to the IRS subframe. Moving to the muffler hangers, remove the upper 13mm retaining bolt. Go ahead and do this for the other side. Remove the lower 13mm retaining bolts. Our 2018 Mustang does have a SVE Resonator Delete X-pipe installed. The removal steps are the same for anyone that still has the factory resonator. Support the piping or resonator with a jack. Loosen the nuts on the factory exhaust sleeves with a 15mm deep socket. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry back the tab on the sleeve. Lightly tap the sleeve with a hammer to move the sleeve past the small dowel on the downpipe. Support each muffler and then lift up on the muffler hangers to remove them from the body. Do the same for the front hangers. With the assistance of a friend, slide the Catback out of the 2 sleeves and then go ahead and remove it from the car. Spray some WD-40 or something equivalent onto the hanger to ease the removal process. You'll want to do this for each hanger. Transfer the front hangers to the new Catback. Ensure that the hooks on the hanger are facing toward the front of the car. Locate the smaller diameter piping on the provided mid-muffler. This side will be forward facing and install into the factory exhaust sleeves. Install the provided high-flow muffler into the sleeves. Install 2 of the provided clamps onto the muffler's outlet pipes. Slide the designated intermediate pipe over the outlet on the muffler and then hook the hanger into the IRS. The pipe marked L will be for the driver's side and the pipe marked R will be for the passenger side. Do the same for the other intermediate pipe. Transfer the correct muffler hangers to the new muffler. Slide one of the provided clamps over the intermediate pipe. Position the muffler over the intermediate pipe and hook the hanger back into the body. Go ahead and do the same for the other side. Loosely tighten the 4 nuts on the exhaust sleeves. Position the mid-muffler to intermediate pipe clamps in the correct orientation and then loosely tighten the 15mm nuts. Reinstall the 2 13mm bolts that retain the front hanger to the IRS and go ahead and fully tighten. Reinstall the 4 13mm bolts that retain each muffler hanger and fully tighten those as well. Loosely tighten the 2 clamps that secure the muffler to the intermediate piping. Align each tip and then fully tighten all clamps. Of course, you can make additional adjustments as needed. Now you want to take this time to double check your work, start the car and check for exhaust leaks, get the car on the ground, and you're all finished. All right, fellas, as far as installation time goes, you're gonna need to set aside a few hours to get this touring Catback installed. Have a friend help you out to make life easier. Of course, if you don't feel like doing the install yourself, run it down to your trustworthy exhaust shop. All in all here, guys, this Ford Performance touring Catback for the 2018 Mustang is going to be for the enthusiasts out there in search of a high quality, mild-mannered exhaust setup, and of course, anyone that lives in an area where exhaust sounds are regulated. To see more how-to and install videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop lmr.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning.